Spend November, day 8. I started the day putting dinner in the Instant Pot. Part of the reason I started my no spend month challenges is because I'm a couponer deal hunter. I have stockpiles that accumulate and need to be used up. So I plan my meals for the month based more on what I have than what's on sale. I had barbecue pulled pork in the freezer from earlier this summer and lots of kidney beans in the pantry, so barbecue pulled pork chili is on the menu for tonight. This chopper saves so much time. I ordered my parents' anniversary gifts using Amazon gift cards from Amazon Shopper Panel, TELUS Rewards, and Spike Bucks. Some chocolate on Flash Food with credits and some cash from the Cash Stash. I did my field agent screeners and my Adipole and cattle surveys to start building next year's no spend cash stash. Someone left a light on in my SUV, so called AMA for a boost just in time to get my son to work, ordered a free coffee, and picked up my Flash Food order. Wednesday's household maintenance is kitchen, so I did that before dinner, and if you missed it, I spent most of the day answering questions and sharing deals in my Insta stories. Then I transferred cash from the Cash Stash envelope to the deposit to account envelope for the Flash Food purchase that I made. At the end of the day, 0 from my account.